Hey, I'm Caleb Hanson with Keller Realty, real estate consultant here. I'm here with Rafik Tadros of U.S.A. Title. And I just wanted to ask you, Rafik, what exactly is title insurance? I mean, usually people get a policy of insurance to protect them against something bad happening in the future. So when you get a policy from U.S.A. Title, well, what's that protecting the homeowner against?
That's a great question. Title insurance is basically used to protect the buyer, the seller, and the mortgage lender in a real estate transaction. Basically, it issues something called a title preliminary report, which makes everything of public record available in a report form for everyone to disclose all the information. For example, it will show all the liens of record against the property.
Okay.
So if there's multiple loans, it will reflect every single loan, the position the loan in, and the base principal balance.
I see.
It will also reflect the easements against the property. So basically, if there's an easement going down the middle of your property for a horse trail, you want that disclosed, obviously, to the buyer.
Okay.
So that will be reflected. It'll also post the covenants and restrictions against the property. Basically, the CC&Rs tells you what you can and can't do on that particular piece of land, and that discloses it to the buyer as well as other pertinent information, simple information. For example, who the owner of the property is. Okay, it'll tell you that, and then it puts it out in report form, and then what happens is the lender will take that preliminary report and they'll decide what items they want to stay in the prelim and what items they want removed. Obviously, a new lender is going to want all the previous loans of record removed and their loan put in place. And what we do is we ensure the information we give them is valid, because if it's not, the title company's on the hook.
Okay, so there's a bunch of documents out there that are of public record that say, hey, there's something that could cause trouble in the future if it's not cleared, like an existing loan not being paid off, like a easement that you didn't know about, like someone else's building being over the property line. And these are all things the title insurance company can investigate, verify that the information that you're starting out with is accurate, so that you don't find out about it in the future, that you are at risk of losing something important to you because you didn't protect it in the beginning.
Absolutely. And in today's volatile real estate market, a title company becomes an even bigger part of the transaction, one of the key parts of the transaction. With a lot of different properties in foreclosure and over-encumbered, the only way to really determine how over-encumbered the property is and if it's in foreclosure is by ordering a title report. In the title report, it will show the notice of default, it will show the notice of sale, it will basically give all parties involved the certain timelines that are involved, especially when you're working with a short sale and times of the essence. It'll tell you when the sale date is and whether or not it's been posted. There's a lot of things that in a down market that we're in right now, actually it's an up market, but it's coming out of a down market. A title preliminary report is a very important document.
Got it. So be sure to have a good title company. If you have any questions title related, contact Rafik Tadros, U.S.A. Title. They'll make sure that you're buying a property that is going to accomplish everything for you in the future that you expect it to, and keep you from losing hold of something that you really want. Thanks so much.
Thank you, Kev.